If you need to rotate an image in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two easy ways to do it. A simple freehand rotation for fast adjustments and a precise rotation method if you want an exact angle or even a flip. This is a super handy skill when you're building diagrams, organizing visuals, or fixing an image that's facing the wrong way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your document in Lucidchart and find the image you want to rotate. Click on the image once to select it. As soon as it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it. This box usually has little resize handles on the edges and corners, which tells you that the image is ready to be edited. Now for the quickest method, look near one of the corners of the image for the circular curved arrow handle. That is the rotation handle. Click and hold that handle with your mouse. While holding it down, move your mouse left or right to rotate the image to the angle you want. You'll see the image turn as you move, so you can adjust it visually until it looks just right. When you're happy with the position, simply release the mouse button to lock in the rotation. This freehand method is perfect when you just want a quick visual adjustment and don't need an exact number of degrees. It's fast, simple, and usually the easiest option for most users. If you want more control, there's also a more precise way to rotate or flip the image. To do that, first make sure your image is selected on the canvas. Then look up at the top formatting bar and click the Arrange menu, or in some layouts, you may see Shape options instead. Once the drop-down menu opens, look for the rotation settings or any flip options available there. From this menu, you can enter an exact rotation value like 90 degrees or 180 degrees if you want the image turned in a specific direction. This is especially useful if you need clean alignment or consistent formatting across multiple images in your document. If rotation isn't enough, you can also use flip horizontal or flip vertical to mirror the image. That's useful for reversing the direction of an icon, photo, or graphic without manually guessing the angle. So to recap, if you want a quick adjustment, use the rotation handle and drag your mouse. If you want precision, go into the Arrange or Shape options menu and choose an exact degree or flip setting. Both methods are easy once you know where to look. Lucidchart gives you a lot of flexibility, and rotating images is one of those simple tools that can make your diagrams look much cleaner and more professional. Whether you're editing a flowchart, a presentation style layout, or a visual workflow, knowing how to rotate an image can save you time and help your design look polished. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides on your favorite software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.